Before we dive deep into the ocean, consider subscribing to our channel for more fascinating videos. Now, have you ever wondered just how deep the ocean is? Imagine stacking 10 Empire State Buildings on top of each other, and you're still not there. It's like trying to climb Mount Everest, but underwater and without a Sherpa. Intriguing, isn't it? We're about to embark on a journey to the most mysterious depths of our planet. So, buckle up, it's time to take a plunge. The ocean's surface, it's like a mirror reflecting the sky, but it's just the ocean's way of saying you ain't seen nothing yet. Now let's talk about the surface zone of the ocean. This is the part of the ocean where sunlight can penetrate, and it's relatively shallow, stretching down to about 200 meters. Think of the surface zone as that friend who always looks cool and collected, but is actually a whirlwind of chaos just beneath the surface. It's teeming with life, from microscopic plankton to the majestic blue whale. It's a bustling, vibrant community where the oceanic food chain begins. And it's also where the weather happens, with storms brewing and waves crashing. But don't be fooled by its sunlit splendor. The surface zone is just the ocean's enticing cover page, a deceptive veneer hiding its true depth. But the real fun begins when we start to descend, so hold your breath. Welcome to the Twilight Zone, and no, it's not a classic TV series. We're talking about the mesmerizingly mysterious layer of the ocean that sits between 200 and 1,000 meters below the surface. Here, the sunlight fades into a ghostly glow, like trying to read a book under the dim light of a single flickering light bulb. Imagine the eerie beauty that exists in this part of the ocean. It's where the last trickle of sunlight battles against the encroaching darkness. The Twilight Zone is home to a myriad of creatures that have adapted to life in semi-darkness. From bioluminescent jellies to swift and stealthy predators, it's a real-life alien world right here on Earth. Now, brace yourself for a dramatic change in scenery. We're about to leave the Twilight Zone behind and plunge into the abyss, a world so deep and dark it might as well be another planet. But we're not stopping here. We're going deeper, where the sun doesn't shine. Get ready to enter the abyss, and nope, it's not a new horror movie. The abyss is the part of the ocean that starts at about 2,000 meters deep and extends to the ocean floor. It's a realm of perpetual darkness, a place where sunlight has never reached and never will. Imagine being in a place where you can't tell if it's day or night. Now, here's a fun comparison for you. The pressure at this depth is over 2,000 times the atmospheric pressure at sea level. That's like having the weight of about 48 blue whales pressing down on you. To put it in a way most of us can relate to, it's like the pressure you feel during final exams, but multiplied by about 1,000,000. No, I'm not exaggerating. Surviving at this depth requires some pretty amazing adaptations. Creatures here have evolved to withstand the crushing pressure, the freezing temperatures, and the complete lack of light. They are the true superheroes of our planet. But wait, we're not done yet. Deeper than the abyss, we find the trenches. These are the deepest parts of the ocean, some plunging down over 10,000 meters. It's like stacking 25 Empire State Buildings on top of each other, and that, my friends, is how deep the ocean really is, deeper than your worst fear of exams. Phew, that was a deep dive, wasn't it? Let's come up for some air and recap. Our journey started at the ocean's surface, the sunlight zone, where most marine life thrives under the sun's warm rays. We then plunged into the Twilight Zone, a mysterious world of diminishing light and increasing pressure where creatures have adapted in mind-boggling ways to survive. Next, we ventured into the abyss, where sunlight never reaches and the pressure is so intense it could crush a car. Yet life still exists here, proving just how resilient nature can be. We've seen the ocean's zones are as diverse as they are deep, each with its unique ecosystem and inhabitants. Our journey has shown us that the ocean isn't just a vast blue expanse, but a complex and layered world, full of life and mysteries waiting to be explored. And that's our dive into the depth of the ocean. Remember, the ocean is deep and full of surprises, kind of like this channel. So don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more deep dives into fascinating topics.